Hello and welcome to an introduction to SmartFactory, digital manufacturing solutions for NetSuite. Today we're going to take a look at MES, the shop floor module. MES, the shop floor, is completely integrated with NetSuite, moving data to and from the NetSuite platform with great reliability. It allows the operator to record all transactional and operational data required. It brings the visual factory to life and, when needed, works in concert with production management to group or sequence the work orders operators execute. Let's go look at the solution. Today, we're going to execute work order 952, which is one operation at the case packer, in which we have three components: one lot controlled, two backflushed packaging items. The check-in app allows me to select and confirm my work center. Beginning shop floor takes me to the work order queue. I select my work order, identify my shift, shoot my lot number, and start the product run. The work summary presents me with every reporting requirement I may be responsible. Let's start with our instructions. Work instructions present both images, documents, any reference that will help me execute my work. In this case, I have a rather extensive SOP that I must follow, easily toggling between SmartFactory and my references. We'll come back and look at inspections, of which I have an in-process inspection in another video. Components allows me to issue my lot controlled items. SmartFactory recognizes this is a lot controlled component, allows me to scan the lot number, identify the quantity used, and record the information. All of the other manufacturing reporting is available to me. Let's do a quick downtime entry. My work order context is always preserved. I select a category, it exposes and filters the appropriate reasons, I identify the minutes lost. If I'm using machine integration, the signals may come directly from the equipment and the minutes recorded. I still have the opportunity as an operator to edit the reason if necessary. SmartFactory never takes the human intelligence element out of the process. Labor or components waste work in a similar fashion. Let's look at labor. I identify my category, select my code, both straight time and overtime, identify headcount, hours worked. I can either account for myself or a crew that I may be working with. Again, any entry can be edited if necessary. Waste reporting allows me to account for component scrap. I can select any component and identify the quantity lost. Now, because I've read my work instructions, this is simply illustrative to show you what's possible and how SmartFactory differentiates itself. Back to shop floor. At this point, I'm ready to report production. I enter my 10 cases. If I wanted to preview a label, I can. Various label options can be presented. I select the label I want, refresh. It loads the relevant work order information to fit my template, and I can send it to the printer. If I want to print a label with every production report, I simply check the label box. I record my production, my status bar will update. At this point, I'm ready to send my information to NetSuite. Before I do, I verify everything's correct using the Reporting Details button. It brings up everything that I've reported to allow me to verify its accuracy. I can edit as I showed you with downtime. Looks good, lot number recorded, ready to send it to NetSuite. Because I have completed all 10 of the quantity required, I mark the work order complete and it begins syncing the information with NetSuite. I'm returned to my work order queue. 952 is gone because it's completed. I select my next work order, repeat the process. Back in NetSuite, The work order immediately reflects the quantity built, the material that I issued, the packaging materials that were backflushed, recognition of the completed operation, creation of a work order completion, which locks in my lot traceability and generates my GL impact for this operation. All initiated on the shop floor by the operator using SmartFactory. Thank you for watching today's video. Please visit smartfactory.com and look for the other videos in this series.